Hey, how's it going? This is Johnny from Schematics. Today I've been working on my remote antenna tuner. I started this earlier this month and I get a little bit of time programming every once in a while. It's going to be a T-match network, meaning it's going to have one roller inductor and two air variable capacitors. And you might be wondering, well, how am I going to drive this from outside? Well, to do that, I found some motors from old Roomba, and it has a really high-end encoder on there. The encoder does something crazy like 508 clicks or ticks, whatever you want to call it, per rotation of the actual drive wheel. Right now, I have it set up, and so it'll do a simple little loop, and then eventually what I'd like to do is set it up so I can control it via my computer on serial port, USB to serial, and then after that it would be nice to do it via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. If I get a little crazy, I might do it so once it finds a mismatch in the SWR for a particular frequency, it'll automatically do it for me. But we gotta do baby steps. And I haven't programmed in probably a good year, and very little programming when I was programming. So we're trying to get started here. It was working out pretty good. I'll show you a little bit of footage of that in a second here, and then I'll give you more updates hopefully once I get this project going a little bit further. Thanks for watching. Here I have the drive motor from a Roomba. I accidentally broke off the magnet section here that activates the Hall sensor. The Hall sensor is going through this 10 kilo ohm resistor right here. One is for the sense, the other one is for voltage, and it's going into the Arduino here. Digital pin 2, which is used for interrupts. The motor is being driven by this 9-volt battery, and it's running pulse width modulation, and it's set at 150 out of 255. Here's a little bit of the code right here. This is telling it to run for roughly half a second and then to stop for 3 seconds. And here's the update from the Hall sensor saying this is how many counts it's had so far. Hey, thanks for watching this video. As you might notice, this is my first video in quite a few years. I don't even think I talked in my last video. I teach for a living, but this is kind of out of my comfort zone. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down and let me know what you disliked about it. I appreciate it. Thanks.